the pre-coursework that was required of you to do before you got to the class, which was online, I felt like the modules were a lot shorter, a lot simpler than what I thought they were going to be, and they were extremely interactive, which was able to keep my attention. I was able to finish all of the required coursework before I actually made it to the conference. It does not take a lot of time. The information is easy to understand, easy to digest, and you will be so happy that you decided to take the class. And everything that you take away will truly, truly, truly prepare you for your role as an advanced Scrum Master.